Nowadays, artificial intelligence, AI, has advanced to the point where it can not only write text, but also generate images and even modify specific parts of an image with incredible, natural-looking realism. In the past, skin retouching required a lot of Photoshop experience. But now, AI can automatically figure out where to smooth the skin, where to preserve the natural texture, where to brighten the eyes a bit, where to reduce the shadows. It understands and handles everything entirely on its own. However, the most crucial factor here is the prompt. The better your prompt, the more professional your results will be. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do professional quality photo retouching using AI with just a single image and the right prompt. You won't need Photoshop, and you don't need any prior editing skills. All you have to do is upload your photo, type in a good prompt, and the AI will take care of the rest, making it look beautiful while keeping that natural look. Let's dive in and see how the whole process works.